Good morning, good evening, and good day. NIO is a favorite among Wall Street, remaining bullish. NIO and analysts maintained a buy rating with a 54.70 price target. On NIO Day in January 2021, the first sedan model will be shown, and more on the NP2 will be talked about. NP2 is supposed to have advanced autonomous driving features. They talked about the LiDAR system in the future. The company is expecting gross margins of 15% to 20% long term. NIO has plans to expand point of sales with the NIO House, NIO Spaces, from 187 to 200 by the end of 2020 and another 100 in 2021. Second generation battery swap stations are in the works for 2021 Q2 with 300 stations in 2021. The rapidly expanding battery swap network will improve user experience. NIO expressed confidence in defending its market shares. On NIO Day, NIO would deliver what they promised because the government's got a good sharehold on them. Northeast Security Analyst and I'm going to try to say that, gives NIO a buy rating of $55 price target. And in other words, Virgin Galactic still does not have a test flight, another flight date. I'll mention that if I forget. The NIO stock price should double to the price it is now in the next 14 months. NIO's accelerating growth in the Chinese EV market and the better than expected earnings and deliveries is what gives the analysis Northeast Securities his optimism. NIO Day is January 9th, 2021, should be a major catalyst for shares. On Wednesday, NIO ended its session rising to 0.36% to $53.70 a share. Today's close was 53.10, 6.52% below its 52-week high of 57.20. NIO sales growth is 136.4% for the present quarter and 261.7% for the next. That's the shooting for. The company's growth estimates for the current quarter and the next is 64.1% and 47.8%. NIO is higher than its 200-day moving average of 17.94 per share. NIO feels other automakers should adopt its battery swapping system. Its battery pack format in the products. NIO is open to cooperating with their other car companies. It has done so with EV charging infrastructures and services, with them being capable with the EV, including Tesla, the charging services. But NIO showed battery swapping was a way to make EVs work. Other companies have tried that in Belt. Better Place tried it. NIO has swapping batteries more than 1 million times. That showed it would work. But Battery Place tried it before NIO and went bankrupt. And they were using an adapted Renault Floats as its main vehicle, as an adapted one. NIO designs its own cars and designs the battery packs that are used in its products in its swapping stations that replace the batteries. NIO has set a standard format for the battery packs, and all NIO units accept the same battery unit. They have a big challenge when making the battery packs because they want to keep the battery packs the same size, even if they have different capacities. This gives NIO that's what gives them an edge. It gives NIO the ability to compete in more market segments with the same swapping components, because they showed they can swap the batteries out and keep them the same size. It's just other companies that go along with him. He'd probably, with him, like, cut down some other stuff they had going on. But as you can tell, NIO is still a buy rate, even though you got it going down in the market a little bit today. Long term, what do you think? But there's still a lot of bullish people on analysts on NIO. I'm waiting to see what the NP2 actually looks like and what they say about it. It should be a great car. So I did a YouTube on LiDAR system. And there's your stock coverage for you. $54 price chart. Price. I don't know what the one is. So they got a long-term growth plan. They're going to look pretty good, especially when the government already owns, Chinese government owns a portion of them. So, because they got bailed out a while back. A bunch of companies got bailed out too, though, so they're not the only one. XPEV is supposed to be, it's looking like a good one to look at, and LI, long term, they look like they're going to be good too. But I've been watching NIO for a while. There's a reason they made bullish on it. Because they're really using Tesla's playbook if you look at it. It's almost step by step. Go back and compare them when they both started. You'll see what I'm talking about. You have a good day, good evening, good weekend, and happy Thanksgiving. We got everybody sick here right now, so it's not a good one.